Make money on Instagram 2021. What is the criteria for earning money on Instagram? Apps, following a do's and don'ts list, using awesome filters, and implementing advertising strategies are all important for business success. However, in order to make money on Instagram, you must be aware of new trends and rules. Let's take a look at a few of them. Number 1, know how to use Instagram for business. Instagram accounts are divided into two categories, personal and business. In July 2016, the business account was opened. Number 2, open an Instagram store. You can combine your product catalog with your Instagram profile using an Instagram store. This allows you to directly promote your products to Instagram users through posts, stories, the Explore tab, and a special shop tab on your profile. Number 3, becoming an expert at combining Instagram with e-commerce shopping apps. Instagram's shoppability is minimal, so making it work for business will take some creativity. The e-commerce shopping functionality, on the other hand, can be seamlessly incorporated with Shopify-specific apps. Try out a few different apps to see which ones enable you to publish items, along with their pricing and specifications on separate pages. This gives the impression that customers are already on your Instagram accounts, even though they are actually on the e-commerce ready shopping app sites. Number 4, understand the do's and don'ts of Instagram. Instagram has clear instructions on how to post, what kinds of photos or videos to post, and how many times you can post every day. It also restricts the amount of hashtags you can use, so you can't just flood your Instagram account with more than 30 hashtags that have nothing to do with the post material. If you follow these instructions, you'll have a great chance of making money on Instagram. According to CoSchedule, you can post 1 to 2 times a day to avoid overwhelming your followers. This will also give you more time to create interesting and original posts. Instagram captions should be between 138 and 150 characters long, according to Sprout Social. Stick to 125 characters for ad captions. While 20 or more hashtags are possible but not recommended, the ideal number is between 5 and 10. If your posts contain more than 20 hashtags, Instagram will shadow ban them. When you are shadow banned, your posts will no longer appear in searches for unique hashtags. You can probably guess that something containing the word ban is evil, so stay away from it as much as possible. It will have a negative effect on your ability to earn money. Number 5, create content based on viral stories. Add them to your Instagram account in between your product images and videos. With tools like Stencil, Promo Republic, and BeFunky, you can do this quickly and easily. How to develop a large Instagram following. Should you start selling before or after you develop an Instagram following? It's as plain as that, before and after. Before you start selling, you should have at least a few hundred followers. You won't be uploading product images to an account that isn't involved. Of course, you'll have to start from the beginning at some point, but try to create a foundation first before going after the sales. So, how do you go about gaining a large Instagram following? Use these 13 pointers to start rising your following right away. To make money on Instagram, you'll need a large following. Number 1, make your Instagram profile as sexy as possible. Make sure your username isn't longer than 30 characters. The name should ideally be searchable using a keyword. It should also be the same as your username on other social media sites. Your bio should be no more than 150 characters long. Including a clickable link to your website is a brilliant idea. Since this is the only place in your Instagram account where you can have a clickable connection, it's an important way to customize your account. Number 2, make a dedicated hashtag and promote it. Consider using the hashtag Jenny's Candies if your account name is Jenny's Candies. You can search the hashtag anytime you want to see what people are talking about your brand. You may also use this hashtag to promote yourself and your business on social media and other sites, both online and offline. Number 3, get creative with hashtags that are relevant to your industry. Although Instagram allows up to 30 hashtags per message, it's likely that this will backfire. It's suggested that you use 5 to 10 common hashtags relevant to your niche and product. Number 4, take part in online discussions about your niche. Take a look at other accounts that are using the same hashtags. Join them and join in on the debates. This is how you'll attract new fans. Number 5, make use of interesting Instagram captions. An Instagram caption is the text that appears under your Instagram post to give them more oomph and appeal. The best Instagram captions inspire your fans to engage in the discussion and like your post by making them feel welcomed. Number 6, hold competitions and encourage them. Organize a contest with a picture that attracts, entrants, and displays the prizes. Make a unique hashtag for the contest as well. Determine how the winners will be selected and explicitly post the rules. You may, for example, take unique photographs for the competition, and everyone who uses the hashtag in a picture is automatically entered into the competition. Make sure you follow Instagram's contest guidelines. If necessary, be imaginative with the contest so that contestants can receive money from Instagram as well. You may invite them to participate in a prize-based affiliate program. Number 7, make Instagram stories and Instagram live videos and promote them. Instagram stories have been a big part of the platform and they're only getting bigger. You can use Instagram stories to grow your audience like a pro. You can customize your Instagram stories in a variety of ways, like adding geotags, selfie stickers, moving messages, paint overlays, texts, and face filters, just like Snapchat. When it comes to delivering your message, be inventive. Make it enjoyable. Number 8, post on a daily basis. The trick is to be consistent and to make sure that each of your posts has its own distinct style. Learn the best time to post on Instagram to get the most out of it. Your followers will be able to identify your posts and know they are from your business. You can also schedule Instagram posts using third-party social media tools, including Hootsuite, Socialflow, and Sprout Social. Number 9, work with influencers and accounts that are similar to yours. For exchanges and paid messages, reach out to influencers and related accounts. You can do posting exchanges, for example, if you have a large following. If you work with Instagram influencers, you can set up an affiliate program that pays commission per post, depending on how big their following is. Number 10, take advantage of the location function. Post videos and stories to your site, then use related hashtags and geotags to ensure that people in and interested in the region can find them. Number 11, demand that others connect with your content. People will be able to assist you if you ask. There's nothing wrong with asking. Just make sure the material is useful and interesting. After all, this is the surest way to make money on Instagram. Number 12, use Instagram ads to reach out to a larger audience. Paid advertising will help you attract more users who may not have found your post otherwise. Ads are a big benefit for brands looking to make money on Instagram, so look into it if you want to take your business to the next level. Using Instagram to promote your company. You'll need to promote your company regardless of its model. Getting thick skin isn't enough when it comes to self-promotion. Overall, you'd have to be strategic and use tried and true methods to make profits. When you sell on Instagram, the majority of the transactions are made on the spur of the moment. The trick is to use photographs, videos, captions, and a seamless experience while consumers are shopping for your items to create a wow factor. Using professionally shot photographs and videos using your favorite filters and software. To ensure a positive and consistent experience, connect your Instagram account to your e-commerce store. Collaborate with as many powerful people as you can. Choose influencers who share your ideology and have a similar following. Plan ahead of time. Continue to post content on a daily basis to keep afloat. Build a common theme across all your social media sites, web pages, and blogs. Get started right away and keep an open mind so you can continue to learn, develop, and achieve your financial goals. If you want to know more financial tips like these, make sure to give this video a like and click subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.